Hi there. Today we are going to answer a question. The question is, how do I access the index in a for loop like the following? As you see here, we have a list named items and we have 3 integers. So we run a for loop on it. So for item in items, print item number something is equal to something else, and this is the first something. We don't know what we should put here, okay? And the second one, we want to put item. As we know, when we write a for loop like this, each time it gives us one element or item of the list. So first time it gives us this as item, the second time gives the second element as item, and so on and so forth. If we run this, we will get an error for sure, because this is not recognized by Python, right? We don't know how we should get the index of each item. So this is the thing we want to get. This is our output we want to get, and so here is the answer. Okay, we have to use the enumerate function. Use enumerate to get the index with the element as you iterate. So here is the loop again, for loop, for index item in enumerate items. So enumerate function returns 2 objects, not 1. So the first one is the index and the second one is the item itself. So we can easily write this print item number something, that is index, is equal to something else, that is item. So let's run this, and you see, this is the what we wanted to know. But here is a problem. As we know again, and note that Python's indices start at 0, so you would get 0 to 2 with the above. If you want to count 1 to 3, do this. Yes, in Python, the first element, the index of the first element is 0, the second one is 1, and the third one is 2. And we know that the last one is -1, this is -2, and this is -3. But so in enumerate function, we can use this start, and start is equal to 1. The default value for start argument is 0. So we can put 1 here, and so the index will start from 1. Let's run this. You see, this is exactly what we wanted to achieve. And here is the conclusion. First, Python indexes start at 0. 2. To get these indexes from an iterable as you iterate over it, use the enumerate function. This is very useful function. And 3. Using enumerate in the idiomatic way along with the tuple unpacking creates code that is more readable and maintainable. We can solve this problem even without using this enumerate function, but using enumerate function is much easier. Otherwise, we can assign a index by hand. I mean, creating an integer I is equal to 0, and then each time we run the loop, we can add 1 to that index, and we can do that, but it's not recommended. Anyway, thank you for your time, and see you next time.